So obviously Avengers Infinity War has killed a lot of people, one of which, spoiler alert if you haven't seen it by now, is Dave Bautista's character DRAX. However, we have confirmation that he's going to be back. I mean, it's not exactly news, is it, really? We knew that Marvel wouldn't keep a lot of the characters dead. Bautista is somewhat of a fan favourite, to be perfectly honest. A lot of people have really enjoyed his character of DRAX, and sure, he's been used as comic relief, but he's actually been quite good, and he showcased his acting ability in Blade Runner 2049. I thought he was incredible in that film, and he's been really good in Guardians, and of course, his latest installment of Avengers Infinity War. But basically, what happened is he came out and confirmed what he's going to be in, i.e. Avengers 4, and then of course Guardians 3, by stating the following. I got a lot of text saying, "I can't believe you're dead, your character is dead." They were really, like, heartbroken, and I was like, I'm going to be in 4, I'm going to be in Guardians 3. I don't know how they're bringing me back, yeah, but somehow I'm going to make it because, as far as I know, I'm going to be in Guardians 3, so I have to be back. So, there you have it, he's going to be back. We knew this was going to happen, or we at least knew that a lot of the people were going to be back. Of course, there's probably going to be a new Avengers set on Earth. More than likely going to be helmed by Captain Marvel. Again, these are all rumours, but Drax is going to be back. Of course he is. They're not likely to be paying him that much for his character and his acting ability, so of course Marvel, they've got no issue bringing him back because the financial strain on them is nothing. Absolutely nothing. To be fair, Marvel is rumoured to be quite tight with their budgets for the cast. Of course, Robert Downey Jr. to one side and his mammoth intake of cash from Marvel Studios, but the smaller people who are not costing them that much but are extremely well regarded by the fans, i.e. Drax and, you know, the like, they are going to be coming back. So this confirms it. What do you think? Are you looking forward to Dave Bautista coming back as Drax the Destroyer? Do you even like his character? I know a lot of people are on the fence about him. Personally, I like him. He is not too in your face. He has good comedic timing. His character is really quite good, to be perfectly honest, in my opinion, of course. But leave your thoughts down below, let me know. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I've rambled for too long, but as always, I've been Mr. H, and I will catch you in the next video.